If you've ever opened Jira and felt lost trying to find your Kanban board, don't worry, you're not alone. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly where it's hidden and how to access it instantly, even if you're brand new to Jira. By the end, you'll navigate your projects faster and work more efficiently. So let's jump right in. First, start by heading to your work. Think of this as your personal command center. Your tasks, your recent projects, and your ongoing activity all live here. It's usually the first place you land when you open Jira, and it's designed to help you get where you need to go quickly. Next, look to the left sidebar and click Projects. This is where Jira organizes everything you have access to. Whether you're a project manager overseeing multiple workflows or a team member working on just one board, this section is your gateway into Jira's project hierarchy. Now, go ahead and select View All Projects. This opens a complete list of every project visible to you. If you're part of a big organization, this list might feel overwhelming, but don't worry, because the next step makes this super simple. At the top of this list is a search bar. This is your shortcut. Just click into it and type Kanban, or even an E-span if you're moving fast. Jira will immediately filter the results and narrow the entire list to show only the Kanban boards you have permission to access. Once the list refreshes, you'll see your Kanban boards cleanly displayed. Just click the one you want and you're in. You can now manage tasks, track statuses, and keep your workflow moving smoothly. Before you wrap up, here's a powerful pro tip. Bookmark the board's URL. This small step saves you tons of clicks in the future and gives you instant access to your Kanban board whenever you need it. And that's it. You've just learned the fastest way to find your Jira Kanban board. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more productivity and software tutorials, and let me know in the comments what Jira guide you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.